Okay, here's a tutorial on how to merge a video file with a subtitle file. The video is MP4 and the subtitle is SRT. So this video has no subtitle of its own. As you can see, there is no text down here. Okay, so to merge these two files into one file, I will use MKVToolNix with a graphical user interface. So it's MKVToolNix GUI. Okay, so drag these two files, the video and the subtitle, and drop it onto the program. Add as new source, just close it with OK. And in the same path, it will create a video losslessly. So press this button, start multiplexing, and the video was just created. It's here. It's an MKV file. Okay, the disadvantage of this one is that although these two, the subtitle and the video, are inside this one, not all programs will read that subtitle. So if I open it with, let's say, KM player, then it's showing the subtitle. Once again, the subtitle is there. Okay, but more simple programs, for example like Windows Media Player, will not show that subtitle. As you can see, there is no subtitle. Okay, so it's not hard coded, it's only soft coded. It's inside a single file. Okay, that's how to losslessly merge two files into one, a video file and a subtitle file.